In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can send videos on Gmail on your mobile phone. Okay, so the first thing to do is make sure that you have the Gmail app installed on your phone. And once you've done that, you go ahead and tap on the Gmail app. And once you've loaded up the app and you're logged into the correct account, you want to go ahead and tap on the compose button there at the bottom right. Now you can see a little paperclip icon near the top right of the screen. If you go ahead and tap on that and then go ahead and tap on attach file, it's going to take you to your gallery and you can go ahead and select the video that you would like. So mine's right at the top, so I'll select it. And it now has attached the video to my email, and I just need to select an email address I want to send it to. So I'll just send it to myself. And then you can go ahead and put in a subject if you want and write something. And then once you're ready to send it, you go ahead and tap on that send button next to the paperclip icon. It is in blue. If you go ahead and tap on that, it will go ahead and send the email with the video attached. So that is how you send videos in Gmail on your mobile phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.